In this video, we will talk about how to fix this file does not have an app associated with it for performing this action Windows 10. Make sure to watch the complete video before you follow any step. Method 1. Use Open With option. Right-click on the file. Hover your cursor on Open With. Then choose another app. Select a relevant program from the list. You can select More apps for more options, and choose the app to open the file. Once you select the app, check the box Always use this app to open the files, and click OK. Method 2. Set the file extension. Right-click on File. Select Properties. In Type of File, you can see the extension. Now click on Windows icon. Take your cursor on gear icon and open Settings. Select Apps. Then Default Apps. Scroll it down and click Choose Defaults by File Type. Find the file type in here and set the correct app. Method 3. Ink file. Click in Search, type Registry. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Here you need to be in this location. Right-click and select New. Now select String Value and name it IS Shortcut. Close the registry. Now click on Windows icon and restart PC. So that's how you can fix this file does not have an app associated with it for performing this action Windows 10. For Windows 11 user, check out the solutions linked in the I button above. That's all for today. See you in the next video.